Hello, math students. This week there's only one assignment video, as everybody's assignment is pretty much the same. One little tweak, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So this is your assignments for the week of January 18th through the 22nd. So this week we didn't have school yesterday, so we can already forget that. No school on Monday. Tuesday's cohort 1, Wednesday's cohort 2, Thursday's a flex day, and Friday, once again, you guys don't have school. So the days we're really worried about are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There are no scheduled meets for each particular class. I'm going to have a few open Google Meets, and advanced class has a makeup meet that we're going to do. So let's talk about it. It is math catch-up week. Sometime by noon on Tuesday, you are going to receive a message in Schoology if you have any missing work. If you don't get a message by noon, you are finished for the week. You have nothing to do. If you do get a Schoology message by noon, you have this week to catch up. I will tell you exactly what you're missing, and I will be updating it. But we're going to have some open Google Meets. I am going to be available on Tuesday from 10 to 11 a.m., and then again from 2:30 to 3:30 in the afternoon. Wednesday, somewhat close, 10 to 11 a.m., and 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. Thursday is a flex day, but I'll be available 9:15 to 10:15, and then again from 1:30 to 2:30. The code will be Hovey Help for every single one of these, and I will post an update every morning as to when the Google Meets are. Now, advanced students, there are a few of you that have one-on-one makeups to do. So I am going to put a Calendly link in Schoology, and you're going to be able to sign up on Wednesday from 11 to 12:30. Again, they're going to be in 10-minute increments, so there's going to be plenty of spaces. It only lasts like less than 5 minutes. It's not going to take you very long at all, as long as you know what you are doing. So again, Wednesday from 11 to 12:30, I'll have the Calendly link in Schoology. There's no question of the week this week, so let's just go over this again. And remember, I'll be putting this out every morning as well. Tuesday, 10 to 11, 2:30 to 3:30. Wednesday, 10 to 11, and 12:30 to 1:30. Advanced, remember you guys are going to have makeups between 11 and 12:30 on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, 9:15 to 10:15 and 1:30 to 2:30. And again, Hovey Help. That's going to be the code for all of them. Makeup codes, you guys will get the one-on-one makeups. You guys will get a link. If you have any questions, send me a message. Otherwise, have a great week.